Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain AI text generation transformation in Domo. So click on transform data, Magic ETL. Okay. In the AI services, I have one transformation called text generation. Okay. So I will explain how does it work. Okay. First, let's take an input data set. In the input data set, let me pick any of the data set. Okay, this is employee dataset. I want to choose a customer dataset. Okay, let me see whether I have or not. Okay, I have a customer dataset. Okay, this is also a customer dataset. Okay, choose dataset. Fine. Now let's make a connection. Okay, now we'll understand how does this text generation work. So text generation generate a text based on the input provided. Okay, so go to the configuration of this text generation. In this, first we need to choose a model. Okay, so I have a very small data set, that's why I'm going to use Domo GPT small. Okay, now instruction, we need to provide an instruction. Okay, and prompt, in the prompt we need to provide a input column. Okay, so let me take a SIP2 address. Okay, in SIP2 address we have a normal address. Okay, now let me write some instruction. Generate or find country name from input prompt. Okay, so very simple. Okay, I have a address, and from address I want to find country. Okay, I don't need to do any other things. I am just writing my instruction. Based on my instruction, it will generate a text. Okay, we can consider it is like a chat GPT or Google Gemini. Okay, so let me take a less preview, run preview. Let's wait for few seconds. Here my output column name is just output. Okay, so our new text will be in the output column. Yeah, it's done. Now let's click on preview. Okay, come to the last column. Okay, output, we can see we have only United States. If we see United States, United States, United States, and let's see the SIP address. This is SIP address. In the SIP address we don't have a country name. Okay, what AI services did, AI services read this address, and based on the address it find the country name. Okay, so this is how useful we can see. We did not provide a country name, even we don't have a country name in this SIP2 address, but still we are able to find this country name. Okay, using this AI services. So this is how text generation is helpful. Okay, so this is in my example I just asked to find country name, but we can ask any different kind of questions, and this text generation will generate accordingly. Okay, now again let's go to the configuration. Okay, in execution preference we have a two option, batch and non-batch. Okay, so let's see. Batch is designed for high volume asynchronous processing. Execution time will vary. Okay, batch processing is generally more cost effective. We understand when we have to use, when we have a large volume, and when we have to go with cost effective approach. Non-batch is intended for more consistent execution time for a small number of rows, and is always used when processing less than 100 rows of the data. Now we understood when we have to use batch, when we have to use non-batch. Batch means when we have a large volume, non-batch means when we have a small volume. Okay. Next is instruction we understood, prompt we understood. We need to insert our column names. Okay, as an input. Instruction we need to provide an instruction what we want. Now configure output. In the configure output we have two things. One is structured, one is non-structured. If I remove non-structured, now I can see I have only one output option. But when I click on structure, like I have an option to add multiple output column. Okay. So here we need to provide a name of column, type of column. Okay. Now structured output allow you to define multiple column with unique name. Okay. But when I don't use structured output, I have only one column, maximum column. Okay. Next is temperature. Temperature control the amount of creativity and predictability in a response. Lower value produce focused, predictable output. Okay. While higher value encourage diverse and creative response. So if we need more accurate result, we should go with less temperature. Okay. But when we have to look for more diverse output, okay, then we can go with higher temperature. Okay. Now, this is how we can use text generation transformation in Domo. Thank you.